Hi, wonderful students. How are we doing? It's time for agricultural science class, and today we'll be looking at erosion. Last week we looked at farm records, and we said farm records are documents that give the history of what happened on the farm for the period of time where they are kept. The document that shows the history of what happened in the farm. And we mentioned types of farm records. We said farm diary, cash record, farm inventory, production record, farm input record. We also mentioned the importance of farm records, that it makes the farmer to know what the items that he has in the farm. It makes the owner of the farm or whoever is in charge of the farm to keep a close check if farming activities are carried out the way they are supposed to, and also that farm records are useful in obtaining loans from banks. Today we'll be looking at erosion, and at Wala number one, Walt number one, sorry, is define erosion, and number two mention the agents of erosion. Erosion is the washing away of the surface of the soil by wind, air, water, or ice. The washing away of the surface of the soil by wind, air, water, and ice. There are different types of erosion. The first one is wind erosion. Second one, erosion in floodplains. The third one, tunnel erosion. Number four, stream bank erosion. Number five, slit and reel erosion. Number six, water erosion. And number seven, gully erosion. Now, the first erosion, wind erosion. This occurs when strong winds blow over light textured soils and moves the soil with it. When wind blows, you see that it carries sand from one part of the or from one area to another. That is wind erosion. This is an effect of wind erosion. You can see wind blowing on this farm and moving sand from where it is to another region. That is wind erosion. The second one we'll look at is erosion on floodplains. Erosion on floodplains. It has to do with erosion that removes the entire layer of the cultivated topsoil, exposing the subsoil. Topsoil is the first layer of the soil, and subsoil is the second layer. So erosion on floodplains removes the entire layer of the cultivated topsoil. The third one is tunnel erosion. Tunnel erosion is the removal of the subsoil. Removal of subsoil, like I said, subsoil is the second layer of the soil. We call it the horizon B. It removes the subsoil, and this erosion forms a tunnel in the soil. You can see the tunnel that have been formed by erosion. This is also tunnel erosion. When the subsoil is removed, it forms a tunnel. That's known as tunnel erosion. Now, the next one is stream bank erosion. Stream bank erosion. The major cause of stream bank erosion is the destruction of vegetation on river banks. You can see the river bank, that's where sand is. The destruction of the vegetation on it causes stream bank erosion. This destruction can be due to clearing, overgrazing by animals, and cultivation. It can also be due to removal of sand. That is, when you remove sand from the edges of the river bank, it can lead to erosion. Now, the next one is sheet and reel erosion. Sheet and reel erosion. When a thin layer of the topsoil is removed, it is known as sheet erosion. That is when erosion occurs and a layer of the topsoil is removed. Like I said, topsoil is the first layer of the soil, the horizon A. Reel erosion occurs when water runs off from small channels and concentrates on a slope. When water runs off, that is reel erosion. You can see what you have on the screen. This is water erosion. Water erosion. Number six, water erosion. When rain falls. When rain falls, you see that water moves from one place to another. When rain falls, water accumulates or gathers on the soil and then runs off, thereby taking some soil with it. This is very popular in our environment. When rains fall, you see that rain gathers at a particular place and then it flows. When the rain is flowing, it's taking soil with it. That is water erosion. The last type of erosion we'll look at is gully erosion. Gully erosion is defined as the removal of the topsoil along drainage channels by surface water runoff. Removal of topsoil, that is the removal of the first layer of the soil along drainage channels. This is also gully erosion. You can see how it looks like. Look at the piece of land and then look at what has been caused because of erosion. The land has been divided, and this is called gully erosion. Today we looked at erosion, and we said erosion is the washing away of the earth's surface by water, wind, air, or ice. And we mentioned the types of erosion: the wind erosion, erosion in floodplains, tunnel erosion, stream bank erosion, slit and reel erosion, water erosion, gully erosion. In our next class, we'll look at how to control erosion. I hope the class is clear. The notes will be sent to you on the WhatsApp platform. Go through it, copy your notes, read it properly, and you will understand better. Till we meet in our next class, be good and stay safe. Bye.